Hello, good morning. Hey, for today, we are doing this right here. We are going to have in Mr. Katz's, you are going to be doing this worksheet with the green book, Sexual Reproduction and Meiosis. It talks about how it's different than mitosis, which is for the body cell. And so you're going to go through, read that chapter first. He's going to have you spend 10 minutes reading, and then you'll get this sheet to do. And so you understand it better. Um, and after you get that done, on the back side, we have the whole process of meiosis, how the cell, the nucleus of the cell, and the whole cell duplicates and goes through different phases. For meiosis, we haven't talked about it a lot, but it goes through actually two full phases in order to come up with these cells here, which are the cells for sexual reproduction of the sperm and the eggs that we have for creating a brand new human being. So, the first thing you do is this side right here, and after you get that done, you need to make sure then you're going to do this and you're going to draw this on a piece of paper, construction paper. Do not do this cheaply. Spend time working on this and draw each one and draw and over here. And then put the explanation on here so that you can explain what is actually taking place. Okay, and then you want to draw these. So to take your time, do a good job. Having a messy picture doesn't mean anything. To get it done fast doesn't mean anything. It's learning what you're doing. Also, make sure you have good behavior if you are in Mr. Katz's room. I demand that each and every day. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.